Hola, soy Elaine. Soy en Cuernavaca en la escuela Uninter. I'm here for 2 weeks to study more grammar and learn more vocabulary around my job and what I want to do in the future. It's really nice here. I'm staying in La Residencia. The food is so good. The professors are so helpful and they explain everything in a way that you can understand it and understand the subtleties of the language. And I really do hope to come back and spend more time here. It really is a wonderful place. It's a great experience, and I would recommend this to anybody that's really trying to up their games and up their Spanish game and learn so much about the culture and the history of the language here.